In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Visa gift card on eBay. This step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process smoothly, ensuring you make purchases with ease. So let's dive in. First, you need to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to eBay.com. Once you're on the home page, the next thing you'll want to do is sign into your eBay account. Logging in is crucial as this gives you access to all your account features and purchase history. If you're not already signed in, simply enter your credentials to gain access. Now that you're logged in, it's time to search for the item you'd like to purchase using your Visa gift card. In the search bar at the top of the page, type in the name or type of item you're looking for. Whether it's a gadget, a piece of clothing, or a collectible, eBay's search engine is robust enough to bring up a wide array of options for you to browse through, allowing you to choose precisely what you're interested in buying. Once you've found the item that catches your eye, click on it to open the detailed product page. This page provides all the information you need about the item, such as its specifications, seller information, and other relevant details. Take a moment to review this information to ensure it meets your expectations before proceeding. When you're satisfied with your choice, locate the Buy It Now button. Clicking this button will directly take you to the payment options, bypassing the auction process and letting you purchase the item immediately at the listed price. Next, you'll want to add your Visa gift card as a payment method. On the payment page, you will see an option to Add New Card. Click on this to proceed to the next step. This is where you'll be entering your card details. Carefully type in the card number, expiration date, and the security code from the back of your Visa gift card. Double check these details to make sure they are entered correctly. Once everything looks good, click Done to save the information. With your new payment method successfully added, you're now ready to complete the purchase. eBay will process your order using the Visa gift card you just added. Keep in mind that the amount will be deducted from your card's balance, so make sure there are sufficient funds to cover the cost of your chosen item. Congratulations! You've now successfully used your Visa gift card on eBay. Shopping online has never been easier, and using a gift card is a great way to manage spending and gift balances. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your eBay shopping experience.